Hey there, fantastic viewers. A big thumbs up to you for choosing this video amidst the vast digital expanse. Get ready to embark on a journey of knowledge and creativity with Fixit. Buckle up as we delve into the exciting realm of DIY expertise. Today, I'm thrilled to unveil the secrets behind crafting something truly amazing. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just stepping into the world of creativity, you're in for a treat. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you won't miss a single moment of the Fixit magic. Our channel is your go-to destination for enlightening tutorials. Today, we will talk about how to update your TikTok username before 30 days. So the first step is to open TikTok, and then go to your profile. Click on Edit Profile. Here you can see an option of Edit Username, but you can see it says that I cannot change my username before 30 days. Not to worry, I have a solution. Go back to your profile and click on three lines on top